everyone. Today, my daughter and son-in-law, and Lily, of course, who is apparently the chief supervisor, are putting up a wall tent at their elk camp. After deciding the best spot for the tent, they lay out the color-coded poles. A specific color was chosen for each section, thereby making it easy to lay it out in its designated position prior to the setup. Next, in the same fashion, the welded joints are stamped with their designated position on the wall tent. In this particular case, I believe that R is for ridgeline and M is for middle. After all the pieces are in position, now is the time to start connecting the pieces together to assemble the wall tent's roof skeleton. Once the poles and the welded joints are connected together and the vertical wall poles are lying at its sides, the heavy canvas top is now lifted to the skeleton's ridgeline. This is the perfect time to lift this 100-pound plus canvas tarp onto the ridgeline. By placing the rolled tarp onto the ridge now, it only has to be raised about 5 feet instead of 9 to 10 feet, but they would have to if they waited till the walls went. Once the tarp is placed on the ridge, it is rolled out and unfolded to cover the roof and ready to cover the side once the wall poles are placed in. Now they lift one side of the roof and place the vertical wall poles in their designated sockets. Once the tarp is pulled down over the wall, it is pulled and tugged till it's in place. Then they move to the other side and lift the roof, placing the vertical wall poles in their designated sockets. The procedure with the canvas roof and the wall is repeated on this side. Now is left the simplest task of tying back the flaps so the canvas floor can be laid down. First, the plastic tarp is laid on the ground for the overall cleanliness of the area. And of course, the supervisor must check to make sure all the areas are laid properly and perfectly. Having inspected it thoroughly and given her approval, now is the time for a fire-resistant canvas tarp to be laid in the area where the wood stove will be placed. This will protect the plastic tarp from any embers melting holes in it. Well, there you have it, the canvas wall tent, raised up in under 8 minutes, ready to be staked and tied down. See you next time. Hey everybody. Well, thanks for joining us. We appreciate you. Hit that like button, share the videos for us. If you have comments on what you'd like to see, let us know. We'll do what we can. Hit that if you want to see the next videos, get notifications, hit that subscribe button down below there. And just remember, till next time, life's a gift. get outdoors. See ya. Bye.